law of demand. We have already learned about the relation between price and demand in our previous video. We know that when price goes up, then demand goes down. That means as price increases, demand decreases. And when price goes down, then demand goes up. That means as price decreases, demand increases. This relation between price and demand takes us to the law of demand. Law of demand can be stated as other things remaining constant. When the price of a good decreases, its demand increases. And when the price of a good increases, its demand decreases. Here, the phrase other things remaining constant is very important as it indicates that except price, all other factors of demand will remain constant. If we assume all other factors as constant, only then law of demand can be established. This statement of law of demand indicates that price and demand has an inverse relationship. This relation between price and demand can be represented in the form of a demand equation QD is equal to A minus BP. Here QD represents quantity demanded and P represents price. Let us assume the demand equation for tomato is QD is equal to 20 minus 2P. With the help of this equation, we can derive demand schedule and demand curve for tomato. Let us derive the individual demand schedule for tomato by using the demand equation QD is equal to 20 minus 2P. Let us suppose that price of tomato is rupees 4 per kg. Substituting this value in the demand equation, we got individual demand for tomato QD is equal to 12 kgs. If price of tomato goes up to rupees 5, then quantity demanded will fall to 10 kgs and so on. So, there we see how demand is changing at different levels of prices. We can represent different prices of tomato and its corresponding demand in a tabular form like this. This table is called individual demand schedule. This is our demand schedule for tomato. The graphical representation of demand schedule is known as demand curve. Now we are going to derive the demand curve for tomato. We will always measure quantity on x-axis and price on y-axis for drawing a demand curve. When price is equal to 4, quantity demanded is equal to 12. This point is plotted on this xy plane. When price is equal to 5, demand is equal to 10 and so on. After plotting all these points, we can join them by drawing a negatively sloped straight line. This is called the demand curve. Since there is an inverse relation between price of the commodity and its demand, so demand curve is negatively sloped.
So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.